Welcome back, guys. Hope you're doing great. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the project which we are building for quite a time, which is nothing but a full stack web app, uh, AI room planner, where we are going to create our own AI model. Unlike the any other videos in the YouTube, we are not going to use existing models which is available in the internet. We are going to create our own AI model by using Python script, and we are going to deploy that in the Hugging Face AI, which helps us to run our model through online, right? So we are going to write that Python script completely from the ground, and I'm going to explain each and every packages that I use in this AI model, right? So once we finish that, we're going to create ourselves a full stack web application using Next.js, Prisma ORM, and PostgreSQL, and Clerk authentications, and Firebase Storage, right? So these are the tech stacks that you're using for this complete project, right? So let me show you what exactly this project is all about. So here we're having this nice landing page. So let me come to this landing page later. So first, user needs to authenticate in order to generate the image. So once the user authenticated successfully, click the dashboard. So that will take the user into the dashboard. So where that will give the user to choose the room style and choose the traditional, the AI style, what kind of AI style that you're looking for, luxury. And then they need to upload the image. So let me bring the image. So basically we have the click and drag options. So you can simply drag and drop it, or you can click it to upload the image. So let me bring uh, the image. So I'm just going to drag and drop it. So we have this nice progress bar that is going to upload the image into our Firebase storage. So once it is uploaded successfully in the Firebase storage, user can able to delete this also, right? So here I'm just going to type the additional prompts. So make it more luxury, office atmosphere with attractive colors, and make it more elegant, something like that. So all I have to do is to click this generate now. So that is going to trigger this AI model. So now what I have to do is, once I click the generate over here, so if I click the generate, so I can track the generate option. So here all you have to do is to click the logs. So that is going to give you the progress of that particular image generation. So basically we are using the free tier, so this will take a couple of minutes to generate your image. So you have to wait until that generation successfully. In the meanwhile, you should not close the browser, so you will not get the generated images. So this will definitely take a couple of minutes, so let's wait. All right, so now you can see it started the progress over here like 0%. So far it will go for 10 different steps to finish the image generation. So we have to wait until it's successfully generated. Once it has been generated, it will automatically brings that image over here. So you don't have to do anything else. Just we have to wait until the image generation progress completed successfully. So we are almost there. So we already completed the 70%, just a few more steps. All right, so now it successfully generated the 100%. So within a few seconds, you will get your image straight away over here. So once the image is generated successfully, we can able to see the rendered image and the original image, just like the same way what we have over here. So there we go. See, we have our original image in the right hand side, and we have our rendered image in the left hand side. So you can see how the image it's rendered based on the given prompt which we have over here. So think about it now. If you want to save this image, and if you want to save this progress, all you have to do is to click this. So that is going to save this in our DB. So here we go. See, the prompt and all the information is being added over here. So along with that, you can add this particular one as a favorite one. So inside the dashboard, you can see the images only the designs which created by yourself. But if you navigate to the designs page, at that place you can able to see the complete designs which is being created so far by the others users also. See, we have different users as well as over here. Now even if you are refreshing it, you can see we have a skeleton loading back if our internet is a little bit slow. So we need to have some fallback UI for showing that loading animation stuff, right? So we have the filters options based on the popularity and sort the date by new one, oldest one. For instance, let's say I want to bring the most popular one on the top. See, we have the most popular one on the top. So all these things are filtered by using the search params. So we are going to use the search params. So we're going to learn how to handle the search params in a better way. And I can arrange it in the old, bring the oldest one in the top. You can see based on the date, you can understand which is how it has been filtered. See, and this is the July 9th. And if I want to bring the newest one on the top, I can see the newest one on the top. Okay. So all these things are being this filters actions and everything is done by using these search params. All right, so now let's come to the home screen. So basically this entire stunning landing page, it's been designed by using the framer motion and our plain tailwind css. So these animations are done by using the framer motions. So this landing page, I learned this landing page from watching the loads and lot of YouTube videos. I already dropped that YouTube video in the description below, so you can go ahead and watch the video by yourself. Anyway, in this video I'm going to show you how to create all these entire things by line. We are not going to do any copy paste, and all these things are going to build completely from the scratch. So you can code along with me, so you can understand how to create these animated icons and how to create these animations and everything. So all these things are built completely from the scratch, right? So we are dropping this project by tomorrow evening for Indian Standard Time around 6 p.m., right? So you can have this project all by yourself by tomorrow evening. So stay tuned. So if you're watching this video in our channel for the very first time, please click the subscribe and hit that notification icon, so you will be notified every time whenever we are bring up a new project. All right, and let me know what else feature, what are the features that we can include in this project. So please drop your opinions in the comment section below and let us know what are the things that we can enhance in this project in the future update.